For a year I have ridden with an army of Mongols, as envoy from the Order of Trinity. Their Khan is a great warlord.
The fugitive prophet has crossed out of the Empire and now turns north. I'm now in unfamiliar territory. We're gearing up. I was on the first flight to Siberia to secure the old Soviet installation now. More are arriving every minute. Konstantin gave a speech to the new boots and...
We have told the people of the Valley City that we will attack at dawn, but we shall advance behind the Karash at moonrise. The
He's passed through the lands of the Rus. I cannot shake the feeling that he's taunting me, waiting until I'm a day's ride away before moving on. The madman continues on. I do not know what drives him. We pass through